So right now you can see that I got these particular files right here. And let's say when my system is idle for a certain amount of time, I want the queues right here to start up automatically. So to do that, you can actually go to edit right here. Then you can go to preferences. And here, what you can actually see right here is you have an option like start queuing automatically when idle for. So if I were to go ahead and then enable this, you can see that it says idle for 2 minutes. So if I were to do nothing for 2 minutes, you can see that it says encoding will start. You can see a countdown right here. So if I were to actually go ahead right here and make some changes, let's say for example, if it is not idle, then it'll restart out the time again. Let me just go ahead and for example, so lower amount of time right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto edit, and then I'm going to go to preferences. So here, let's say for example, I'm going to say 0.1 minute right here. Press OK, and then you can see like there is a countdown that's going on. So if I were to do nothing right here, then you can see that the encoding simply starts. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the idle time. So if you're not using your computer and the processor is free, Adobe Media Encoder will actually go ahead and detect that and start encoding out the process when idle, just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and encode the queue when idle inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.